Good morning, students. Welcome back to your online class. You take out your EVS book and go to page number 119, chapter 15, from market to home. So, we are going to read, or I am going to explain you what happens, okay, about whom we are going to study, or whom we are talking about. So, we will begin day at night. So you can see, my name is Vaishali. My father is a vegetable seller. My whole family, Amma, Bhaiya, Chotu, and I help him with his work. Can you guess at what time we begin our work? At 3 o'clock in the morning, when most people are fast asleep, we start our work. Our day's work begin with Babuji, Amma, Bhaiya, and I take out the previous day's vegetables from the gunny bags and baskets. This is to prepare for bringing the fresh vegetables from the mandi. Sometimes Chotu also helps us. So here we are going to talk about a girl named Vaishali, and uh, her father is a vegetable seller, and her whole family. In her family there are Amma, Bhaiya, Chotu, and Vaishali. So they all help uh, her father to sell the vegetables, to do all the management of the to help all the management for selling the vegetables. Okay, so can you guess at what time we begin our work? So at what time they begin their work? At 3 o'clock in the morning. Okay, early in the morning at 3 o'clock they will start working. Okay, they will start preparing for uh, preparing for whatever they are going to sell. Okay, so when that you all know that 3 o'clock in the morning everybody will be sleeping, so that time they will start their work. Okay, so in the morning their work starts with first Babuji. Okay, first of all her father, okay, Babuji wakes up, and after that Amma, Bhaiya, and uh, Vaishali, and after that they will take out all the vegetables that they took to sell. Okay, that they took out to the market to sell, and whatever are left over yesterday, so they will take out all the vegetables from the gunny bags and baskets. So whatever is there in the gunny bags from yesterday, they all will take out the vegetables from the previous day. And gunny bags is the sack, okay, that is a sack made from jute or natural fiber. So they will take out all the vegetables, previous day vegetable, that means yesterday's vegetable, whichever are left, because they will go to buy new vegetables from the mandi, sabji mandi. Okay, that where you will get all the vegetables. Market, mandi means market. So they will take out all the vegetables from the gunny bags, and in that gunny bags they will again go to the mandi and buy fresh vegetables. Okay, and sometimes when they will be taking out the vegetables from the gunny bags and basket, their small boy, okay, that means her small brother will also help them. So as we finish doing this and are having some tea, we hear the horn of the temple. It is time for Babuji, Bhaiya, Chachu, that means uncles, and some others from our street to leave for the mandi. So when they are taking out the vegetables from their bags or the gunny bags and baskets, and after doing that work, they will sit for a while and they will be having some tea. And that time uh, they will hear the horn of the tempo. That means the tempo will blow the horn, and that horn is for their Babuji, Bhaiya, that means her brother, Chachu, and all others. Okay, whoever are going to Sabji Mandi to bring the vegetable, fresh vegetable, that horn is for them. So they have to go. Their vehicles is ready. Okay. So go to page number 120. Does anyone in your house have to get up early? What time does he or she get up? Why do they need to get up so early? So if at your home, like if anyone's wake up early, that means very early, okay, like 3 o'clock, like that. If you have someone who wakes up because of some work, you have to mention that thing, and what time, okay, at what time she gets up, he or she gets up, that also, and why they are getting up so early, you have to give the reason, okay. So another one is preparing for the day. So after all the having tea and preparing, taking out all the vegetables from the previous day, so now they are going to prepare for the that particular day, okay. While Babuji is away, Amma, Chotu and I put the previous day's vegetables on gunny bags and sprinkle some water on them. By 6:30 am, Babuji is back from the mandi with baskets and sacks full of fresh vegetables. At that time, our house looks more like a small vegetable market. There are brinjals, potatoes, tomatoes, okra, that is vendi, pumpkin, gourds, chilies, and many other vegetables all around. Everybody helps in sorting the vegetables. The vegetables which are not fully ripe and are ready to sell are kept aside. We have to sort the vegetable fast so as to reach the bazaar as early as possible. So after all the things, when their father and bhaiya and all of them will go to uh, buy fresh vegetables from the sabji mandi, uh, Vaishali's mother Chotu and Vaishali will put all the what which vegetable all the vegetables that they took up from the gunny bags before, they will put all of them, and they will uh, put all the vegetables in the gunny bag again, another gunny bags, and that means the shack or the made from jutes and fibers, and they will sprinkle some water on them. And by 6:30, at 6:30 am, the Babuji, that means her father will come, her father will come from the sabji mandi with baskets and sacks full of fresh vegetables, because her father went to buy fresh vegetables from the sabji mandi, okay. So when her father and or everyone, father will bring all the vegetables from the market, and they also have the previous day vegetables also. So when there will be so many vegetables, it feels like, she feels like that is a small sabji mandi, okay, because there will be so much vegetables like brinjals, potatoes, tomatoes, okra means vendi, pumpkin, gourds means that long vegetable, okay, with green with the green color, that will be green in color, and chilies and many other vegetables. They will have so many vegetables all around. That is why she feels like she is in small sabji mandi, okay, because it looks similar to sabji mandi. So all the family members will help them to each other to sort all the vegetables, to keep all the vegetables, and the vegetables, okay, whichever vegetable is not ripe, that means not fully ripe, only a bit ripe, or they will, and which are ready to sell, they will keep all the vegetables aside, that means in another one side. And because they have to do all this work fast, because they have to go to the market also to sell the vegetables, okay, whichever they bought from sabji mandi, and in the previous day vegetables, all that things, all they have to sort out in as fast as possible, because they have to go to sub mandi, okay, they have to sell the vegetable also. That is why they have to do all the things in hurry, okay. So by 7 o'clock, Babuji arranged all the vegetables on the hand cart and leaves for the bazaar. He says that if he is late, then his regular buyers may buy their vegetables from someone else. As soon as Babuji leaves, I quickly get ready, as I have to reach school by 7:30 a.m. So you all know that when in Vaishali's father went to Sabji Mandi, so Sabji Mandi also plays an important role in our life, because if there are no vegetables, or if there is no vegetable at all, then we will not be able to survive, because all the vitamins or the proteins, whatever we get, then we will get from the green and fresh vegetables, okay. So we have already we have already discussed about whatever she does and whatever help she does to help her father and mother. And now by 7 o'clock, her father will arrange whatever vegetables are there. Her father will arrange everything in the hand cart. That means the hand cart is which vegetable buyers or fruit sellers or sellers or fruit sellers, vegetable sellers, all they will push the hand cart and they will sell the vegetable. That is hand cart, okay. And her father will leave, okay, for the bazaar, because he has to sell the vegetables in the bazaar. So and he will hurry up fast, and he says that if he will be late, that means if he will be late for just only for 5 seconds also, that if he will be late for 5 minutes also, then all his vegetable buyers, that means whoever will buy from him, will go to another vegetable seller and they will buy from them, and Vaishali's father would have to face loss, okay. That is why he says that I have to hurry up and I have to sell the vegetable, so he will leave quickly, okay. So after her father will go and leave for the market or the bazaar, she will get dress up quickly. That means because she has to reach school by 1:30 a.m., okay, or in the morning. Her school time is 7:30, so she will dress up quickly and she will leave for the school. So in the bazaar, Chotu attends school in the afternoon. He rests for a while and goes to the bazaar later with food for Babuji and Bhaiya. He stays with them at the vegetable cart until it is time for him to go to school. Sometimes he goes back after school to help uh, Babuji tries to see that the previous vegetables are sold first. After she will go after she will go to school at 7:30, like, because her school will start from 7:30, okay. So in the bazaar we will talk about whatever will happen in the bazaars, okay, where her father will be selling the vegetables. So Chotu, okay, her brother, that means Chotu, attends the school in the afternoon. So her brother attends the school at the afternoon. That means afternoon, okay, after 12 after 12, okay. So and till that time, meanwhile, he will, that means Chotu will take rest and go and after taking rest he will go to bazaar. That means where their father will be selling the vegetables, and he will go to bazaar and take some food. That means whatever is cooked, whatever is prepared by their mother, uh, he will, that Chotu will take the food for Babuji and Bhaiya, because Babuji and Bhaiya, that means father and his elder brother, will be selling the vegetables. So when he will take all the food to them for Bhaiya and Babuji, he will stay there because he is going to school, and he will attend the school at afternoon only. That is why he will stay in the vegetable cart, and until, like, when he has to go to school, when it is time for him to go to school, he go to school, okay. That after 12 o'clock, that means. So after coming from the school also, he will sometimes help Babuji and Bhaiya. And Babuji is selling the vegetables, as I told you, that that means her father makes sure that whatever was left from yesterday, he will sell that vegetables first, okay. That means not the fresh one which he bought early in the morning, but whatever was left yesterday, he would make sure that he will sell all the previous day vegetables, okay. Because if he keeps that vegetables, that means all the vegetable, that all the vegetable whichever was left yesterday would be spoiled, and he will not be able to sell that, okay, because no one buys rotten vegetables. So, page number 122. Babuji sells the previous day's vegetable first. So I told you that Vaishali's father sells, okay, whatever was left yesterday, he sells those vegetables first. So why do you think he does this? So what is your opinion? Why he sells those vegetable first, because if he will not say, if he doesn't do not sell the vegetable, yesterday's vegetable, as fast as he can, that all the vegetable will be spoiled. Okay, that is why he sells all the yesterday's vegetable first. Okay, have you seen dried or spoiled vegetables? Where? So if you have seen like the dry, and that means all of the vegetables, spoiled vegetables or the dried vegetables, so if you have seen, you have to write yes, and where did you see that? Okay, where did you saw that one, the dried vegetables or spoiled vegetables? You have to answer that one. How do you know that the vegetables are spoiled? So you all know that when the foul smell will be, when the vegetable will start smelling awful, when it will start stinking, that means that time you will come to know that the vegetables are rotten. Okay, that means they are spoiled. So you have to how do you know, how can you know that the vegetables are rotten or or spoiled? You have to answer that thing. Okay, so Chotu is helping his family. So Vaishali's brother, younger brother, Chotu is helping his family. So why? What do you think Chotu has learned from you? So I told you that Chotu is Vaishali's younger brother and he is helping his family. So, like by helping his family, what did Chotu? What do you think that Chotu has learned? Okay, you have to answer it. So, how do you help the elders in your family? So maybe you also help your family members. So how do you help them? You have to answer that thing. As the previous day's vegetables get sold, so I told you that Vaishali's father will sell the vegetable which were left yesterday. So Bhaiya takes out fresh vegetables from the sacks and put them in the cart. So after all the yesterday's, that means previous day vegetables are sold out, then Vaisali's brother, that means young elder brother, will take out the fresh vegetables that they bought from the market early in the morning, and they will take out all those vegetables from the sacks, gunny bags, and put them in the cart, that means in that hand cart. Okay, he also keeps sprinkling water on the vegetables so that they do not dry up. So after taking out the vegetables, bhaiya, that means Vaishali's elder brother will sprinkle, he will keep sprinkling the water in the vegetables, because to make sure that the vegetable will not dry up fast. Okay, especially in summer, especially in summer time, summer season, when they are selling the vegetable, they keep sprinkling the water again and again over the vegetables, because if they do not do that one, the vegetable will dry up. Okay, and they will not look fresh. Okay, Babuji and Bhaiya return home after a long day, only around 10 o'clock at night. By then, Chotu and I are asleep. Everyone else sleeps around 11 or 11:30 at night, and at 3 o'clock next morning, only 4 hours later, our family is up again. Another day has begun. So, after selling all the vegetables, Vaishali's father and elder brother will return home. Okay, they have they were working for so long, and they will return back home, and at 10 o'clock from the market, her father and her elder brother will return home. Okay, at 10 o'clock. So by that time, at 10 o'clock, Vaishali and her younger brother will be sleeping, because it's already late. Okay, so Vaishali and Chotu, that means her younger brother, are sleeping. So all the family members in her family will sleep around 11 o'clock or 11:30. That means it is too late, and again they will wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. So they will only sleep for 4 hours, and that means 11:30 or 11 o'clock they will sleep, and again 3 or waking up again in at 3 o'clock. That means they will only sleep for 4 hours. So then again they will do the same. Vaishali's father will take out all the previous day vegetables and spread all the vegetables on the ground, and he will go to market, he will bring fresh vegetables and all the things. Okay, all the process, same yesterday's process will again start. Okay, look at the clocks given below, write what do you do and what Vaishali does at the times which the clocks are showing. So you can see here, here are three clocks, okay. So what you do, like usually at, you can see here 3 o'clock, that means at 3 o'clock what do you do, okay. Obviously you will be sleeping in the early in the morning. It is 3 o'clock at morning time, so you can see that you will be sleeping, but you, as talking about Vaishali, she will be awake that time, okay. You have to write what you do and what Vaishali does in this respective time, okay. Again you can see here, uh, 6 o'clock, it is also morning time. So 6 o'clock what does Vaishali do and what do you do, you have to write, okay. You can see here Vaishali dash, Vaishali dash, you have to write. Oh, if at morning time Vaishali will be wake up, already wake up, she will be waking up, she will already be awake, and what will you be doing, so you have to write it here. And again 6 o'clock what will Vaishali be doing, you have to write, and what you will do that thing. And at 9 o'clock what Vaishali does, you have to write, and what you do, you have to write it here, okay. So from where do you get vegetables for your home, so you can ask your parents, like your mother, from where they will bring all the vegetables for your home, okay. For your home, where from where will your mother bring the vegetables, you have to ask them and write who brings the vegetables. So whether your mother or father who brings, or if you have brother or if you have sister, maybe they will bring sometimes, so you have to write it here. So you can see the next time when you get okra, that means vendi at home, when you will next time, if your mother will bring buy okra, that means vendi from market at home, look at them carefully. So you take one bhindi, that means okra, and examine it, okay. You look it carefully, are all of them the same size, so you take one and you compare that one which is in your hand with other, okay. So do you find all of them are in same size, okay. You have a look at the okra and you say, okay, find the long, obviously those will be like some of them will be longer and some of them will be small one, you all know that thing. Find the longest and the shortest one. So you take a long one also and you take short one also, measure them, okay. Do all the okra have same thickness and color, so whatever bhindi or the okra your mother bought from the market, you look at them and you find out whether the thickness are same, or if the whether the thickness of all the bhindis are same or not, and if the color are same or not, okay. So cut two okra, so you cut two okra, and mm, do both of them have the same number and seed, so inside them, inside that vindi, do you say the same number of seed, you write that also, and you draw them in your notebook. So you draw the picture of the bhindi also, okay. Seema's mother has bought some fruits and vegetables from the market. Can you find them in this picture? Color them and write their names. So you can see here are some pictures, but not the exact one. Okay, you can see so many uh, some of the, you can see the picture here, but it's so messy, it's very messy, but inside it you can see many vegetables and fruits. So you can see these are the vegetables which Seema's mother brought from the market, okay. Some fruits and vegetables, so you can see here, you have to find out, like you can see the brinjal, tomato, radish, potatoes and all, you can see here. And you can see bindi and all. So you have to, what you have to do is you have to find out few fruits and vegetables, and if you can find it or if you can see it clearly, so you have to color it, okay. So 124, you can see given here is a list of vegetables and fruits. Which of these will spoil earlier and which which will stay for some day. Write the names in the correct column. You can add more names in the list. You can see fruits and vegetables that will spoil quickly. You have to select from here and write it here, and another one here. Okay, some of these fruits and vegetables are smooth to touch while some are rough. From the list about, put the names in the correct column. Smooth ones here and rough ones here, from this same thing. Okay. 125. Which vegetable do you find the heaviest to carry? That one. Write its name and draw its picture in your notebook. Which is the lightest fruit and vegetable that you have eaten? That one. Which? Write its name and draw the picture in your notebook. This one you have to do. Write names of 3 vegetables which do not have seeds here. Fill in the blanks given below. You can add 3 more names and fill in the table. You can see here color, you have to give right color, color of the apple, banana, potato, and another other fruits. Okay, you can see here length, its length, price, all. Talk with a vegetable seller in your area. Ask the following questions and make a brief report in your notebook. What is his or her name? How many people are there in his or her house? How many children are there at home? What are the names of their children? How old are they? Who all help in work of selling vegetables? Page number 126. Who all stay with the vegetable cart or sit in the shop? What vegetables do they sell? At what time do they start working or work? For how many hours in a day do they work? Ask them about any 3 vegetables that they sell. So name of the vegetable, vegetable 1, vegetable 2, like name of the vegetable, price, and from where they buy all the vegetables. Okay, how much of vegetables do they buy at one time? So at once, how this vegetable, this whichever the name will be there, so how much they will buy. Okay, how much the vegetable seller will buy at that time, at one time. In which month does this vegetable usually come? This one. Okay.